Hi, I just wanted to introduce you to our brand new shape, our Faith folding wash bag. Faith's brilliant for you if you're looking for something spacious. So we've got two large compartments here. That's a 500ml bottle, just to give you an idea of scale. You can see that fits really nicely in there. It's got two large compartments, so you can open it up when you're packing, so you can fit all your stuff in there and you can see what you've packed. And equally, when you get to your destination, you don't have to rummage around looking for your toiletries. It's freestanding, it's got these great grab handles, so it's brilliant if you go on a lot of staycations because you can just grab that and put that right in the boot of your car. Or if you're travelling long haul, you can take it with you on the plane. So there you go, that's our Faith folding wash bag.